Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are safe and healthy and obeying your parents and paying attention towards your studies. Today we will study chapter 8.
Festivals. A large number of festivals are celebrated all over India. We wear new clothes, sing, dance, and have fun on festivals. It is the time when the entire family comes together to enjoy the occasion.
Many festivals are celebrated in our country. Festivals may be national or religious. National festivals are celebrated all over the country. Some festivals are celebrated in certain states only. Birthdays of great Indian leaders are also celebrated as festivals.
Festivals. Festivals of India. India is a land of festivals. Many festivals are celebrated here. A festival is a time for fun, eating sweets and special dishes, wearing new clothes, meeting relatives and friends. We sing and dance and have lots of fun. At that time, the entire family comes together to enjoy.
As I told you, India is a land of festivals. Many festivals are celebrated here. People celebrate both national and religious festivals. We celebrate national festivals to remember some important events. Festivals related to a particular region are called religious festivals. In India, people celebrate all festivals no matter which religion they follow. Like this, we celebrate harvest festivals and also the birthdays of some great people as festivals. National festivals. Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti are national festivals. They are celebrated with the true feeling of patriotism all over the country. National festivals. Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti are the three national festivals that we celebrate. We celebrate them with the true feeling of patriotism all over the country. Independence Day. 15th August is celebrated in India as Independence Day. On this day in 1947, India won independence from the British rule. Every year, this day is celebrated and a function is held at the Red Fort in Delhi. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag and gives a speech to the nation. On this day, we remember all the freedom fighters who gave up their lives for the country. The first national festival is Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. India became independent on this day in 1947. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi and gives a speech to the nation. On this day, we remember those who fought for the freedom of our country. Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. On this day, a grand parade is held at Rajpath in New Delhi. The defense forces, school children, folk dancers and tablers from different states make the day grand. Children who have been awarded bravery awards from the President are also a part of the parade. The second national festival is Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. On this day, the President hoists the national flag at Rajpath, New Delhi. On this day, a grand parade is also held in which the armed forces, police, folk dancers and school children take part. Bravery awards are also given to the children. Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation, was born on 2nd October 1869. His birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. A prayer assembly is held at his Samadhi at Rajghat in Delhi. Prayer meetings are also held all over the country. The President, the Prime Minister and others offer prayers at his Samadhi. The next one is Gandhi Jayanti. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation, who was born on 2nd October 1869. A prayer meeting is held at Rajghat, the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. Similar meetings are also held all over the country. The President, the Prime Ministers and others offer prayers at the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. Religious festivals: Holi, Diwali, Dashera, Guru Purab, Eid, Christmas, Buddha Purnima and Mahavir Jayanti are some of the religious festivals celebrated in our country. Indians celebrate many religious festivals: Holi, Diwali, Dashera, Guru Purab, Eid, Christmas, Buddha Purnima and Mahavir Jayanti are some of the religious festivals celebrated in our country. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. It is said that it is celebrated to welcome Lord Ram, Sita and Lakshman to Ayodhya from exile. The goddess of wealth, Lakshmi, is worshipped. On this day, people decorate their homes with diyas, candles and lights. The first religious festival is Diwali. Diwali or Deepavali means a row of lights. It is a festival of light. It is celebrated in October or November. People decorate their houses with diyas, candles and lights. They also make rangoli at the entrance of their house. A story is behind this. It is said Lord Ram, Sita and Lakshman came to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. So to welcome them or to honor them, we celebrate Diwali. Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. People play with colors, sing and dance. Around this time, millets, mustard, gram and wheat are ready for harvest. Holi. Holi is the festival of color. It is celebrated in March. People throw colored powder called gulal and splash water on one another. They sing and dance. We can also say Holi a harvest festival because around this time millet, mustard, gram and wheat are ready for harvest. Dashehra. Dashehra is also called Vijayadashmi. It is said that on this day Lord Rama killed Ravan, the king of Lanka. This battle marked the victory of good over evil. During Dashera, Ram Leela is staged in different corners of the country. The festival is celebrated over 9 days by the name of Navratri in Gujarat and as Durga Puja in the eastern part of our country. Dashera. Dashera, also called Vijayadashmi, celebrates the victory of good over evils. Means अच्छाई की बुराई पर विजय. There is also a story behind this. It is said that on this day, Lord Rama killed Ravan, the king of Lanka. Ram Leela is performed during Dashera. At this time, Durga Puja in eastern parts of our country and Navratri in Gujarat is also celebrated. Guru Purab. Guru Purab are special days. They are birthdays of the 10 Sikh Gurus. People go to Gurudwaras to offer prayers, open kitchen set up by the Gurudwaras, serve free meals, langar to the rich and the poor. Huge processions are carried out all over the country. The next one is Guru Purab. Guru Purab is celebrated to honor and remember the 10 Sikh Gurus. On this day, prayers and langars are held in Gurudwaras. Eid. Eid ul Fitr and Eid ul Juha are the two main Eids. People wear new clothes and offer prayers or namaz in mosques. Eid ul Fitr marks the end of a month-long fasting called Ramzan. Savian, a special sweet dish, is prepared in all homes on Eid ul Fitr. Eidi or money is given as a token of love. People wish each other Eid Mubarak. The celebrations also include donation of food and clothes to the poor. Eid. Eid ul Fitr and Eid ul Juha are the two main Eids that people celebrate. People pray together in mosques. After the Eid namaz, people wish each other Eid Mubarak. Sevaiyan, a sweet dish, is prepared on Eid ul Fitr, and this also marks the end of a month-long fasting called Ramzan. Eid is given to children. Most people give clothes and money to the poor and needy. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated all over the world on 25th December to mark the birth of Jesus Christ. Special prayers are held in churches at midnight and in the morning. Gifts are also exchanged on this day. Christmas trees are decorated at home, in churches, and even in the marketplaces. Santa Claus distributes sweets and gifts to children. Next one is Christmas. People celebrate Christmas on 25 December. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. People put up Christmas trees in their houses and offices and decorate them. They also exchange gifts. Special prayers are also held in churches.
Santa Claus.
Distributes sweets and gifts to children. All this was about national and religious festivals celebrated in India. In next video, we will study about other special festivals, harvest festivals and birthdays of people that are celebrated as festivals.